y'all? Today we're back with another banger video, and today we're doing the Coke and Mentos challenge. So first we're gonna be doing smallest to biggest. So let's do the small one first. Oh! Yeah! It got inside of the thing. We're gonna have to back it up. Okay, now
We're gonna drop 3 in the.
Go! We can put all of them in here.
Yeah, put all of them in. So, wait.
But be careful, make sure you don't. Go from this side.
Okay.
Wait. 3, 2, 1. I got sugar on my hand. Wait, let's see if it's still gonna explode. Nope, doesn't explode
Lord.
anymore.
Lot of
Wait,
mercy.
let's try this last one. Dang it. No, didn't work.
That was the waste of Coke.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all later. Peace.